Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to print passport size photo in A4 size paper in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show print passport size photo in A4 size paper. Now going to the insert menu option. Firstly, select from a A4 size paper. Now click for a page design option. Now click for a size option. Then click for A4 size portrait. Then we can see now insert from image. Now click for a insert menu option. Then click for a picture option. Now select from a picture. Now click for insert. Then picture is passport size. Now select from a size. Now hide and edit. Now select mark from the cross. Now click for OK. That is. Now try for a print passport size photo. Now going to the file menu option. Then click for a print option. That is. Then we show print passport size photo in A4 size in Publisher. Is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.